y'all, we're back at the Halloween house slash hoarder house. It is November 2nd, so we've been working on it for 3 days now, and this is all we have pulled out of the living room so far. So we have thousands and thousands of clothes. Now, we've had a couple customers come buy our stuff already, but we still have way too much. So we got all these clothes, all this, few hard goods, a lot of purses. Now this over here is this huge dumpster of stuff we've already took out just of the living room and the dining room. All right, and then we got more clothes over here, a bunch of Christmas, Halloween stuff, random things, a lot of shoes. We didn't get very many out, but we tried. And then, all right, you guys ready to see on the inside? All right, here it is. We can finally see in here. It actually looks like a house. What we thought was a couch right here was not a couch. It was just one big giant pile of clothes. But we were able to get all the clothes out of the floor, and we were able to see the floor again. Side note, we haven't found any animals in here yet, but I'm scared if we do. All right, now over here, this is the dining room. The ceiling has caved in, has fell in some reason, I don't know. But the floor is caving in because there's this huge water leak in the basement. So he's gonna go, my boyfriend Chris is gonna go under there in the basement that's also full of clothes and put a beam or something in there to fix the sagging. And then let's see, now there was 2 bookshelves under here that we found. We're still cleaning those out. And then this is what he's done in the kitchen so far. None of us girls have went in there because the floor is very unsteady. But he was able to pull up the countertop, the sink, get all the cabinets out of the bottom, and scoop a bunch of trash up and stuff like that. Now, we have found some cool things like this vintage Pyrex. We have found some vintage Pyrex. We found some vintage hats, some cool Miami's sweatpants made in America. These are cool. We found a couple pieces of cool clothing. And we're working in this room next. This is our next task. But we're taking a break right now to eat because it's 1:30, almost 2 o'clock in the day, and we haven't eaten since this morning. So, see you guys on the next one.